Hi everyone! In this video, we will write a ratio as a fraction. Write the ratio as a simplified fraction, 7/10 to 3 50/100. However, that 0 on the end doesn't signify anything, so we can leave it off and simply read that as 3 5/10. To do a ratio, it can be written with a colon and then changed into a fraction or a division. Here we have 7/10. Let's rewrite that as its fraction 7/10, and it sounds exactly like the proper name as we read it in its place value. Same with the 3 5/10. 3 5/10 is written the same as its place value as well. Now we can change the right-hand side to an improper fraction by multiplying and then adding in its clockwise circle. 10 times 3 is 30, plus 5 is 35. So we have a ratio of 7/10 to 35/10, and then we divide. 7/10 divided by 35/10. Here we have a complex fraction, which means I have a fraction within a fraction. This large division sign here shows exactly where the two fractions are being divided by. And if you'll recall, we don't divide fractions, but we multiply by the reciprocal of the second one, meaning that I switch it around or flip it upside down. So we have 7/10 multiplied to 10/35. And we can simplify before we multiply, which is my preference because then I have smaller numbers. I check all of the numerators and I can simplify it with anything in the denominators. Here I see 10 and 10 are both divisible by 10, which gives me 1 and 1. I also see 7 and 35 can both be divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now that I've simplified, I can multiply what I'm left with. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5, and my simplified fraction is 1/5 for this ratio, and we're all done.